What's going on YouTube? Jelani from JelaniTheMarketer.com here, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make commissions from ClickBank using solo ads on Udemy, okay? But before we get into that, definitely subscribe, hit that alert button so you know when I post a new video. Check me out on Instagram at JelaniTheMarketer and check out my blog, blog.JelaniTheMarketer.com. Alright, let's get right into it. Okay, so I made a video a couple days ago talking about Udemy and how you can actually use that and Instagram to make affiliate commissions. So I figured I'd make another video talking about how you can use Udemy for ClickBank. Now, I want to make sure that you guys understand that this is a strategy. This is not something, this is not me saying that you're going to get, rich really quick online or anything like that. It's more about the strategy. So if you want to go out there and test it, be my guest. But I just want to show you how you can potentially use ClickBank and use solo ad vendors to actually make affiliate commissions. I'm not saying that you will, but if you try it out, you may. Okay. So with that said, if you don't know what solo ads are, solo ads basically meaning you take someone else's email list and you promote an offer that you are promoting to that email list, right? So Udemy is a software online that you can go find vendors who have really good ratings, who are selling clicks to their email list, and then buy those clicks and then promote the offer that you're promoting to their email list. So what I want to show you is how you can do this. So if you take a look at my screen, let's go into Udemy. So this is what it looks like, and once you sign up, if you click the link down below, you'll be able to sign up, and it's totally free to sign up. All you have to do is just put in your information and then start finding vendors. So I actually have a video talking about how to find the best vendors. So if you want to go check that out, be my guest so that you can see what qualifies a vendor to be good. But it all comes down to testing. So what I recommend doing is clicking on find sellers. And then once you have done that, you want to look for different criteria here in the filter box here, okay? So the first thing I would definitely recommend is under main traffic source, do top tier countries. This is going to separate the people who are sending traffic to countries that are not buyer centric, right? We live in in the United States, it's a buyer centric society, right? So there's different countries that are known to buy things, okay? So you want to, that's the first thing. The second thing is you want to make sure that you're categorizing based on the keyword that you are finding in ClickBank. So most of these vendors are selling traffic to make money online, right? A lot of people are trying to understand how to make money online. So what I recommend doing is finding an offer, and this is not to say that all the different vendors do that. For example, you can definitely find vendors in the health niche and you can promote a health offer, but making money online is finance, right? So there's a lot of people in that niche on Udemy, okay? So what you want to do is you want to categorize it based on this. You can do other things like based on the sales. So you can say, let's see, 20% of sales, and that's going to categorize people based on the number of sales, based on the reviews that people have given them in the past, right? Based on the number of sales. So these people look like they've gotten sales before. They're in the finance niche, and they're selling traffic to top tier countries, right? So you want to look for people that have really good reviews. So this person right here, Khalid, 69 cents a click, and he has 927 ratings, plus he has a 52% sale rate. So let's click on him to see what he's all about. This is what you do. So if you want to check out a more in-depth tutorial about how I would go about this, check out that past video. I'll post a link down below. So this person looks like he says he has superior quality traffic, only result in superior quality conversion and sales. So let's look at the reviews, okay? Looks pretty good. It looks like he's getting some clicks, subscribers, people paid, 2 conversions, right? So although he's a little more pricey at 69 cents a click, if you were to do 200 visitors, right, at $141, and you found an offer that was $20, and let's say 10 people bought, that's $200, $60 profit. So that's not that bad, right? So you want to look for vendors like this, and I would make a list of the different vendors you think you can promote to. That therefore you can then see which ones are converting, which ones are not. Now, once you think you found vendors, you want to go over to ClickBank and you want to see the different offers that are in these different niches. Like I said, finance is a lot of people sell their list in the finance niche or the make money online niche. So you might want to go and look at ClickBank and look at the business and investing offers. You might even want to look into the e-business and e-marketing, because it's probably some things make money online in that category. But you can also search. So you can say make money online and see if anything comes up, right? So a few do come up, but another thing about ClickBank, you want to make sure you're looking for offers that are converting. So this video is not going to be talking about the process of finding converting offers. more about the strategy, okay? So let's just go into the business and investing niche, okay? And let's just scroll down here and let's see if we can find something that may spark our interest. Again, you can literally find any offer and test different offers to different solo ad vendors, right? Because you don't know what list is going to convert on which, but once you do find that, you know, you can definitely start testing other vendors for a particular offer. Another website that you can look at when it comes to these type of offers is Warrior Plus. They have really good offers as well that do convert, and I've sold from both of these networks via solo ad traffic, okay? So this is saying watch me turn $1,000 into $2,500 in just one day with penny stocks, okay? So this is just an example, guys. This is not something that I would say go out and promote. You want to make sure that you're doing your research. You want to make sure that you're going out there finding offers that are known to convert, that are not spammy, right? Because you're using someone else's list. Keep in mind that these people will ask about the offer probably, and they will say, you know, I can't promote this to my list, or I can promote this. So keep that in mind as well. So once you find an offer on ClickBank, it's simple as just literally clicking on promote, right? Generate your link, and boom, you have your link. So this is what you would do. You take that link, you go back to the vendor. So once you find a vendor that you think you would want to work with, then all you have to do is put in the link here and add that to cart. Now this person will, like I said, review the link, they'll review everything. What I recommend doing, instead of going straight to the ClickBank link, what I recommend doing is creating a funnel that, you know, you use ClickFunnels, which is a program, and I have another video talking about this with my ClickBank and Instagram method. But basically what you're going to do is take a funnel and grab the email address, and then once you do that, you're just going to redirect them to the ClickBank offer. It's very, very simple, but it's really critical that you are capturing the data as well, rather than just leaving money on the table, because there's a lot of money in the email list, right? So you want to make sure that you're capturing that data, and the way to do that is just create a simple landing page on ClickFunnels. I actually have a free funnel, and one of my, like I said, my Instagram ClickBank method, I should talk about that, right? So you want to make sure you're capturing the data and making sure that once you capture that data, you're redirecting them to this particular link, right? So the link you're going to send to the solo ad vendor is going to be your ClickFunnels link that has the landing page with the email input box and the submit button, so that you capture the email address, and then upon redirection, then you send them to the ClickBank offer, okay? I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, leave a comment down below, and I can kind of better explain that to you. But that's essentially what you're going to be doing, and at that point, you'll see the opt-ins come in from the landing page and then onto the ClickBank offer, right? And then you can kind of test to see if it's going to make you sales, right? It's a testing game, but this method can work, and it's really cool because not only are you getting sales on the back end from ClickBank, but you're also building up your email list. So if you don't have an email list, this is a great way to do that. You're just using someone else's email list, building your own email list at the same time, and then you can offer offers to them later down the line with automation. So this is a really cool way to actually make money using ClickBank. It's fairly simple. It's not that complicated. You just got to do a bit of research about the offer and a bit of research about the vendor, and then boom, you just got to go test out the offer and test out the vendor to see if they are going to convert. But that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you like this type of method, and like I said, if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. Hit that alert button so you know when I post a new video. Check me on Instagram at JelaniTheMarketer, and check out my blog, blog.JelaniTheMarketer.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.